flowers name in English and Hindi for kids. Lotus, Kamal, children, in English lotus, in Hindi Kamal. Rose, Gulab, children, in English rose, in Hindi Gulab. Sunflower, Surajmukhi, children, in English sunflower, in Hindi Surajmukhi. Marigold, Genda, children, in English marigold, in Hindi Genda. Periwinkle, Sadabahaar, children, in English periwinkle, in Hindi Sadabahaar. Jasmine, Chameli, children, in English jasmine, in Hindi chameli. Blue water lily, Neelkamal, children, in English blue water lily, in Hindi Neelkamal. Magnolia, Champa, children, in English magnolia, in Hindi champa. Lily, Kumudini, children, in English lily, in Hindi Kumudini. Snowdrop, Gulchanni, children, in English snowdrop, in Hindi Gulchanni. Crocus, Kesar, children, in English crocus, in Hindi Kesar. Tuberose, Rajnigandha, children, in English tuberose, in Hindi Rajnigandha. Deinonyx regia, Gulmohar, children, in English Deinonyx regia, in Hindi Gulmohar. Hibiscus, Gulhel, children, in English hibiscus, in Hindi Gulhel. Oleander, Kaner, children, in English oleander, in Hindi Kaner. Daisy, Gulbahar, children, in English daisy, in Hindi Gulbahar. Arabian jasmine, Mogra, children, in English Arabian jasmine, in Hindi Mogra. Daffodil, Nargis, children, in English daffodil, in Hindi Nargis. Dahlia, Dahlia, children, in English Dahlia, in Hindi Dahlia. Canna, Devkali, children, in English Canna, in Hindi Devkali. Tulip, Kandpushp, children, in English tulip, in Hindi Kandpushp. Touch me not, Chui Mui, children, in English touch me not, in Hindi Chui Mui. Balsam, Gulmendi, children, in English balsam, in Hindi Gulmendi. Primrose, Basanti Gulab, children, in English primrose, in Hindi Basanti Gulab. pansy. Bunful. Children, in English, pansy. In Hindi, bunful.